Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect FreshBooks for 1099 contractor accounting, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your FreshBooks dashboard. Log in to your FreshBooks account. Click on the Accounting tab in the left sidebar. Select Expenses from the drop-down menu. Choose Vendors from the expense options. Click on the Add a Vendor button. Fill in the vendor's details, including name and email. Ensure you mark the vendor as a contractor. Save the vendor information. Next, navigate to the Invoices section. Create a new invoice by clicking on New Invoice. Select the contractor from your list of vendors. Fill in the details of the invoice, including services rendered and amount. Be sure to set the invoice. Now, go to your Reports section. Select Tax Reports from the available options. Click on 1099 Report. In this report, you will see a summary of payments made to your contractors. Verify the information is accurate for your records. Export the report by clicking on the Export button. Choose your preferred file format, typically CSV or PDF. Download the file to your computer for your records. Ensure you maintain accurate records throughout the year. Review your contractor transactions regularly. This will help ensure a smooth process when it's time to file taxes. Remember to keep all invoices and reports organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.